friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Install Files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once I have done this, now launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam. Under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage, now click on Browse Local Files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility and here select Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. Select Run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on Apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select Disable Full Screen Optimizations, hit on Apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on Apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows Security. After that, here you have to click on Firewall Network Protection, click on Allow an app through firewall, click on Change Settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on Allow another app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for Device Manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download and once it is downloaded you have to open it. You will get repair or install option, so click on it. Now wait for some time and after it is over you have to restart your PC and after your PC restarts again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties and under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Similarly for GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on add task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to delete temp files. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp % and after that press OK and after that whatever the files temp files are there you have to simply select it and after that click on delete icon. So once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. So confirm it. After that, log into Steam and again launch the game and check whether the game is opening or not. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the driver a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, after that launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall file, click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game crashing and startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.